In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change a Trello template step by step. Whether you want to start fresh with a different layout, customize a board for a new project, or simply explore better workflows, Trello templates make it incredibly easy. I'll walk you through the entire process, from accessing templates to customizing and reusing them the right way. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your home dashboard, where you can see your recent boards and workspaces. This is your main control center for everything in Trello. From the home screen, look for the Templates option. Depending on your layout, you may see it in the top navigation menu or along the sidebar. Click on Templates to open Trello's template gallery. This section contains a wide variety of pre-built boards designed for different use cases, like project management, marketing, personal productivity, design workflows, and much more. Now that you're inside the Templates gallery, browse through the available categories or use the search bar to find a specific template that matches your needs. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open the preview page. This allows you to see how the board is structured, including lists, cards, and any pre-filled content. When you're ready to use the template, click on the Use Template button. Trello will now prompt you to create a new board based on that template. You'll need to type in a title for your new board. Make sure to give it a clear and relevant name so you can easily identify it later. Next, choose the workspace where you want this board to be created. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check that you're selecting the correct one. This is especially important if you're collaborating with a team. After entering the board title and selecting the workspace, click on Create. Trello will instantly generate a brand new board using the selected template. Now you've successfully changed your Trello template by creating a board from a different one. Once your new board opens, you can begin customizing the inside elements. You can rename lists, add new lists, delete ones you don't need, and modify the existing cards. Click on any card to edit details like descriptions, due dates, checklists, attachments, and labels. This is where you tailor the template to fit your exact workflow. If there are sections that don't apply to your project, feel free to remove them. Templates are meant to be flexible starting points, not rigid structures. You can also add power-ups, automation rules, or integrations, depending on how advanced you want your board to be. As you continue editing, you might want to switch back to another board for comparison. To do that, use the Board Switcher option at the top left of Trello. This lets you quickly move between boards without losing your progress. If you decide you want to reuse this customized structure again in the future, you can recreate the process by turning your updated board into a template itself. Open the board menu, look for the option to make the board a template, and save it. That way, next time you won't have to repeat all the customization steps. And that's it. That's how you change a Trello template by selecting a new one, creating a board from it, customizing it, and even reusing it for future projects. It's quick, flexible, and perfect for improving your productivity. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.